Now here to perform Someone Like You. Please welcome Melinda Lobdow.
Couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg, I'll remember you saying sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to say. Sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to say. You know how the time flies on me. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited. I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg, I'll remember you saying sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to stay. Sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to stay. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes and memories made. Would have known how bittersweet this would taste. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg, I'll remember you saying sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to stay. Sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts to stay.
Melinda Lobdell.